Looking at the facts, I note Europa has twice Earth's ocean water volume beneath ice, with Galileo probe evidence of a conductive layer. The Hubble plume observations since 2012 are particularly vivid, water vapor shooting 125 miles into space. That's a concrete visual detail perfect for a hook, a plume erupting against Jupiter's bands. Not a theory, a visible event. Galileo arrived in 1995. Its magnetometer measured Jupiter's magnetic field interacting with Europa. The Moon generated its own weak, fluctuating field. That demanded a global, salty ocean, a conductive layer deep below. No other explanation fit. The data was clean. The ice shell had to be thin enough for ocean to interact with the magnetic field. Europa's surface told the same story. No craters, no mountains, just a fractured, pale canvas, cracks radiating across the ice like shattered glass, tectonic lines carved by tidal forces, Jupiter's gravity squeezing the Moon. The ocean beneath must be moving, shifting the icy crust. Young surface, active, not ancient. Hubble's plumes gave us the clearest evidence yet. Water vapor escaping. Not a single sighting. Repeated glimpses since 2012. A faint signature against the void, confirming Galileo's hints. These plumes could be cryovolcanoes, water rising from the ocean, a direct line to the hidden sea. If life exists there, it might be detectable in the vapor. Europa Clipper launches in October 2024. It will orbit Jupiter until 2030. Study the ocean's chemistry, the ice shell structure. Look for plume activity. The evidence is building. The magnetic field, the cracked surface, the plumes, all pointing to a hidden world. But the ocean remains sealed. The plumes offer a window, not a door. The case continues. Galileo's magnetometer recorded it. A magnetic field shifting as Jupiter turned. No natural field, an induced signal. Only a global saltwater ocean could create that, conductive, hidden beneath the ice. The only explanation that fits. No other layer fits the data. The evidence is concrete. The surface is young, cracked, not cratered, smooth as glass. No mountains, no ancient scars, fresh fractures spiderwebbing across the ice. Tidal forces flex Europa as it orbits Jupiter. The ocean churns, ice shifts. New terrain forms, geologic activity, not static, not dead. The cracks are the ocean's fingerprints. Hubble spotted water vapor plumes, faint, repeated, since 2012. A signature against the black sky, not a single plume, a pattern, cryovolcanoes erupting, water from the ocean escaping, direct access. The vapor carries salt particles, like sea spray on Earth, proof the ocean touches the surface. The plumes are real. They are the only direct evidence we have. Tidal heating is the leading theory. Jupiter's gravity pulls Europa tight, then relaxes. The flexing generates heat, enough to keep the ocean liquid. The core might even be warm. The ice shell is a dynamic layer, not a lid. It's a living thing. Ice moves, chemicals cycle. The ocean mixes with the surface. Sea salt coating the cracks, a fingerprint of the ocean floor. The ocean interacts with rock. Minerals dissolve, flow upward. The salt proves the ocean is chemically active, a necessary ingredient for life. The plumes could carry these chemicals skyward, a sample of the deep ocean without landing. Europa Clipper arrives 2030. It will map the ice shell, probe the magnetic field, hunt plumes, study chemistry. The case is open. The evidence is building, but the ocean remains hidden. The plumes offer a view, not the whole picture. The verdict is still pending. The plumes vanish before the telescope can lock on. Hubble spotted faint water vapor signatures in 2012, then again in 2016. In 2018, Galileo data analysis suggested plume activity near the equator. But these are fleeting glimpses, like seeing smoke from a distant fire before it dissipates. No spacecraft has captured an eruption live. The vapor isn't steady, it's sporadic, possibly seasonal. We see the asterisk effect of an ocean venting, but not the vent itself. The plumes offer a tantalizing shortcut to the deep, yet they remain frustratingly elusive, like a ghost in the data. Oxygen levels plummeted in March 2024. New analysis of surface reflectance shows Europa's oxygen abundance is far lower than models predicted. This contradicts the long-held idea that Jupiter's radiation splits water molecules, creating a surface layer of oxygen. The ocean's chemistry is now a puzzle. Too much oxygen would bleach organic molecules. Too little might mean no energy for life. The current measurement leaves a critical gap. Is Europa habitable or sterile? The surface tells only half the story. Surface cracks tell a different tale. Galileo mapped ice ridges and chaotic terrain, suggesting rapid ice movement. But tidal flexing should create slow, predictable patterns. Europa's fractures are chaotic, recent, and violent. Ice plates shift like broken jigsaw pieces, too fast for known heat sources. The magnetometer detected a global conductor beneath the ice, proving the ocean exists. Yet the energy driving this activity remains unexplained. The evidence conflicts. We know the ocean is there, but not how it moves. Europa Clipper arrives in 2030. Its instruments will map the ice shell's thickness with radar. It will measure subtle magnetic field shifts to chart the ocean's depth. Its ultraviolet spectrometer will hunt plumes with unprecedented sensitivity. It will analyze the thin atmosphere for chemical fingerprints. Clipper won't see the ocean, but it will test every hypothesis. The plumes, the oxygen dip, the violent ice motions, each clue will be weighed. The verdict hinges on what the data reveals in that final, silent orbit. What does the salt truly tell us?